What is BIMSTEC and what is its significance for India? When BIMSTEC was founded and how its name has also changed or evolved over the years. How it is acting as a bridge between South Asia and Southeast Asia. The two Southeast Asian nations who are part of BIMSTEC, Myanmar and Thailand, how they are crucial for India's ambitious connectivity plan for Northeastern region. How it is important for India's Act East policy due to the non-functioning of SAARC due to Pakistan, how BIMSTEC can take forward the concept of regional cooperation. So, let's start. What is BIMSTEC all about? First of all, what we understand by the full form BIMSTEC. It stands for the Bay of Bengal Initiative for Multi-Sectoral Technical and Economic Cooperation. It is a regional organization comprising 7 member states lying in the areas of Bay of Bengal. This organization came into being in 1997 through the Bangkok Declaration, and the members of this organization are Bangladesh, Bhutan, India, Nepal, Myanmar, Thailand and Sri Lanka. Let's see when it was established and how, when, in which year different countries joined and how its name has also changed due to which. So it was established in 1997 through Bangkok Declaration as BIST-EC, which stands for Bangladesh, India, Sri Lanka and Thailand Economic Cooperation. Now in 1997, in the same year in which it was formed, Myanmar also joined it and the name was changed as BIMST-EC. Just M was added after BI and the full form became Bangladesh, India, Myanmar, Sri Lanka and Thailand Economic Cooperation. In 2004, Nepal and Bhutan joined. So it was felt that if we keep changing the name of this organization, it will not be very much credible. So what organization decided? They have fixed the name. On the aim it was made. The name was made Bay of Bengal Initiative for Multi-Sectoral Technical and Economic Cooperation. So now even in the future, if other countries also join, we don't need to change the name of this organization. It will be BIMSTEC only. So some more details about it. Full form we have already seen, Bay of Bengal Initiative for Multi-Sectoral Technical and Economic Cooperation. Date of establishment 6 June 1997. It's more than 20 years since it was established. The BIMSTEC headquarters is in Dhaka in Bangladesh. Nepal joined BIMSTEC in 2014. And the member countries are Bangladesh, India, Myanmar, Sri Lanka, Thailand, Bhutan, Nepal. 22% of the global population lives in this region of BIMSTEC nations. And the 2.7 trillion GDP is belonging to BIMSTEC nations. On the map also we can see all the countries surrounding Bay of Bengal are basically BIMSTEC nations. Sri Lanka, India, Bangladesh, Myanmar, Thailand. So all these countries are basically BIMSTEC nations. Some more details about BIMSTEC. What all we should know about BIMSTEC. What is the importance of BIMSTEC? So it accounts for 22% of the world population, which is quite huge. It is not a very less number. It combined GDP of $2.7 trillion. 1/4 of the world's traded goods cross the bay every year. 6 focus areas are trade, technology, energy, transport, tourism and fisheries. 2 important points that we should know. First summit was held in Thailand and Sri Lanka is the current chair. The 2020 summit of BIMSTEC nations is also going to be held in September 2020 in Sri Lanka. What are the focus areas of this organization? BIMSTEC is a sector-driven cooperative organization. It is started with 6 sectors including trade, technology, energy, transport, tourism and fisheries for sectoral cooperation in 1997. However, in 2008, the domain was expanded to embrace 9 more sectors including agriculture, public health, poverty alleviation, counter-terrorism, environment, culture, people-to-people contact and climate change, which is one of the most important sector that was added in this. What are the objectives of BIMSTEC? Creating an enabling environment for the rapid economic development of the region. encouraging the spirit of equality and partnership, promoting active collaboration and mutual assistance in the areas of common interest of the member countries. For example, as I told you that India need connectivity for its northeastern states. So Myanmar and Thailand, they are very crucial in that sense that they are crucial for India's ambitious connectivity plan for northeastern region. Moreover, Act East policy. Earlier we were having a Look East policy, but now India is working on Act East policy. So this is a very good initiative, good step in that direction as well. What is the significance of BIMSTEC? We have already seen those statements. However, for your understanding, let's read it again. The regional group constitute a bridge between South and Southeast Asia and represent the reinforcement of relations among these countries. BIMSTEC has also established a platform for intra-regional cooperation between SAARC and Asian members. We all know SAARC is not able to function to the way it was designed due to Pakistan involvement, because there are around 8 members of SAARC, and it is essential that every country should vote in favor for any bill or for any step to be passed. But Pakistan always create obstacle, so SAARC is not functioning right now. The BIMSTEC region is home to around 1.5 billion people, which constitute around 22% of the global population, with a combined GDP of 2.7 trillion economy. So it is shown here in the infographic as well. So this is something that we should aware, that when BIMSTEC summits was held, that I told you in the previous slide, that first BIMSTEC summit was held in Thailand, then in India in 2008, Myanmar in 2014, Nepal hosted the summit in 2018, and Sri Lanka is going to host the BIMSTEC summit in September 2020 in Colombo, Sri Lanka. What is the significance of BIMSTEC for India? BIMSTEC is an integral part of India's ongoing effort to map out new pathways of geo-economic cooperation among countries in the region, which it sees as a part of its extended neighborhood. BIMSTEC is a robust platform for promoting regional cooperation and connectivity. It is conceived as a bridge builder between the SAARC and the ASEAN nation. Work is going on some major projects on connectivity which could transform the movement of goods and vehicles through the countries in grouping, including Kaladan multi-modal project and Asian Trilateral Highway. So this is very important and you should have taken note of it. BIMSTEC could be a potential game changer for the northeastern India's quest for prosperity. The state of India's northeast have shown a marked economic vibrancy with the region clocking economic growth of 10% a year, which is faster than the country's average of about 5% a year. So this is a very good achievement, in fact, of this organization, of this cooperation. In counter-terrorism as well, also this is playing a very good role. Moreover, the potential to tap the vast energy resources and scope for intra-regional trade and investment too is very huge. BIMSTEC Convention on Cooperation in Combating International Terrorism, Transnational Organized Crime and Illicit Drug Trafficking. So it was signed in 2019, led by India. Various aspects of cooperation under counter-terrorism and transnational crimes include. So it includes various issues like counter-terrorism, we have seen, drug trafficking, illicit human trafficking as well, it also include into that. So in that way there are various aspects involved here. While many members have ratified the convention, some members are yet to do it. Okay. One more organization that we should be aware, although we will discuss it in separately. South Asian Association for Regional Cooperation, SAARC. The member of SAARC are Afghanistan, Bangladesh, Bhutan, India, Maldives, Nepal, Pakistan and Sri Lanka. So we should know about what are the differences between SAARC as well as BIMSTEC at this point itself. SAARC was established in 1985 during the Cold War era, whereas BIMSTEC was established in 1997 in the post-Cold War. One of the most important differences. A regional organization looking into South Asia, inter-regional organization connecting South Asia as well as Southeast Asia. Member countries suffer from mistrust and suspicion mainly because of the Pakistan in this group. Member countries maintain reasonably friendly relations in BIMSTEC. It suffers from regional politics, whereas the core objective is the improvement of economic cooperation among the countries. Asymmetric power balance. Balance of power with the presence of Thailand and India on the bloc. Intra-regional trade only 5%, whereas intra-regional trade has increased around 6% in a decade in BIMSTEC. So what's the way forward? Since the BIMSTEC region is notably for its diversity, the member states need to build on the regional synergies and work towards utilizing the available resources in the most optimal manner. This would help build a strong and a more dynamic BIMSTEC. So that's all about BIMSTEC. I hope you get some idea about what is BIMSTEC and how it has evolved over the years due to different countries joining at different time of the years, and how its name has also undergone some significant changes, and how it finally get the name BIMSTEC in 2004. So that's all for today. Thank you friends and have a good day.